Did you know that at Harvard, one of the most prestigious universities in the world, the most popular and successful course teaches here to how to learn to be happier. The positive psychology class taught by Ben Shahar attracts 1400 students per semester, and 20% of Harvard graduates take this elective course. According to Ben Shahar, the class which focuses on happiness, self-esteem and motivation gives students the tools to succeed and face life with more joy. This 45-year-old teacher, considered by some to be the happiness guru, highlights in his class 14 key tips for improving the quality of our personal status and contributing to a positive life. Let's see these 14 key tips. Tip 1. Thank God for everything you have. Write down 10 things you have in your life that give you happiness. Focus on the good things. Tip 2. Practice physical activity. Experts say exercising helps improve mood. 30 minutes of exercise is the best antidote against the sadness and stress. Tip 3. Breakfast. Some people miss breakfast for lack of time or not to get fat. Studies show that breakfast gives you energy, helps you think and perform your activities successfully. Tip 4. Assertive. Ask what you want and say what you think. Being assertive helps improve your self-esteem. Being left and remaining silent creates sadness and hopelessness. Tip 5. Spend your money on experiences. A study found that 75% of people felt happier when they invested their money in travel, courses, and classes, while only the rest said they felt happier when buying things. Tip 6. Face your challenges. Studies show that the more you postpone something, the more anxiety and tension you generate. Write short weekly list of tasks and complete them immediately. Tip 7. Put everywhere nice memories, phrases and photos of your loved ones. Fill your fridge, your computer, your desk, your room, your life of beautiful memories. Tip 8. Always greet and be nice to other people. More than 100 inquiries state that just smiling changes the mood. Tip 9. Wear comfortable shoes. If your feet hurt you, you become moody, says Dr. Keith Wapner, President of the American Orthopedics Association. Tip 10. Take care of your posture. Walk straight with your shoulders slightly backwards, and the front view helps to maintain a good mood. Tip 11. Listen to music. It is proven that listening to music awakens you to sing. This will make your life happy. Tip 12. What you eat has an impact on your mood. Do not skip meals. Eat lightly every 3 to 4 hours and keep glucose levels stable. Avoid excess white flour and sugar. Eat everything healthy. Vary your food. Tip 13. Take care of yourself and feel attractive. 70% of people say they feel happier when they think they look good. Tip 14. Fervently believe in God. With Him, nothing is impossible. Tip 15. Develop a good sense of humor. Learn to laugh off matters, especially when things don't go right for you. Happiness is like a remote control. We lose it every time. We go crazy looking for it, and many times, without knowing it, we are sitting on top of it. Have an unconditionally happy life. God bless you all. Thank you.